Good morning to all. In this video we will learn regarding principles and elements of architectural composition. The art and science of designing and constructing buildings is called as architecture. The expression of building depends upon composition of plan and architectural design of structure. Principles of architectural composition: unity, contrast, mass composition, proportion, scale, accentuation and rhythm. Character. Unity. Unity means oneness and indicates harmony among the different building elements. It imparts coherence of the parts and integrity of the whole. A dominating mass placed at central or at a convenient place to makes it a point of importance and destroy the duality or competition. Contrast. It means absence of monotony. It creates interest in humans because our mind carries impressions based on contrast existing in nature. Care should be taken to not destroy the unity. Contrast can be created using different shapes, their line of direction. Use of different construction materials, shades of color creates contrast. Mass composition. Mass is a three-dimensional shape having definite width, length, and height. Mass arrangement is to be done in such a way that harmonious unity of structure is maintained. Development of masses is done from both plan and elevation of building. Proportion. The dimensions of length, width, and height with respect to one another gives a pleasing effect. A square living room fails to create a good impression, but a rectangular one with length about 1.2 to 1.5 times the width gives pleasing effect, although a greater ration gives undesirable tunneling effect. Golden ratio. It is divine proportion used for beauty and balanced in the design of art. Scale. The scale in architectural composition means proper relation of different elements to one another and to whole. The scale is considered with respect to surroundings. The sizes of doors, windows, and staircase are different for residential building when compared to monumental or public building. The proper scale is essential for better and qualitative results of proportion. The size of doors, windows, and step, rise and tread, and handrail height should suit the users and creates feeling of comfort. Accentuation. Accentuation means emphasis and is created by different combinations of elements in the architectural composition. The elements are classified as positive and negative elements. Positive elements creates impressions of decision, rigidity, and function. Example, column. Negative elements creates impressions of hesitation, flexibility, and decoration. Example, arch or a lintel. An architect needs to create an area of emphasis or a focal point, which is considered as the visual starting point from which the eye will begin the journey of recognizing the whole architecture work. Rhythm. Rhythm in architectural composition is repetition of certain patterns at regular intervals, such as columns fixed at a fixed intervals. It is pleasing and attractive. Character. It refers to the styles of the building. The character is related to functional aspect of the building and evolves from proper combination of unity, mass composition, proportion, scale, etc., which constitutes the basic principles of architectural composition. Types of character: functional character, traditional character, personal character. Functional character. That show the purpose of the building or the reason for its erection. The external appearance plays an important role in determining the purpose and the function of the structure. Examples: 1. A school building must contain many windows to admit the necessary side light and to offer an interesting contrast with the possible monotony of the classroom walls. 2. A factory expresses the efficient operation of the manufacturing within. Designing skylights instead of windows can indicate a museum. Traditional character. The character of some buildings is expressed through elements associated with certain influences. Such influences often go thousands of years back in history and culture. Cultural aspects play an important role in determining the associated character of a particular structure. Examples: 1. A spire on a tower by the side of a spacious building indicates a church. 2. A gopuram depicts a Hindu temple. 3. A crescent and a white dome is the symbol of a mosque. Personal character. If a building is designed in the proper spirit, personal characteristics such as grace, dignity, and vitality can be expressed as an integral part of the structure. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Now see some photographs or images or figures related with these principles of architectural composition. Emphasis. The center or focus of attention and interest within a design. The feature that commands attention and makes a design visually interesting. Architectural features such as fireplaces or decorative windows are often used as focal points. Works of art and decorative accessories are often emphasized in a design. Ways to create emphasis. Arrangement of furniture around a focal point. Use of color, texture, or pattern. Placement of accessories. Use of lighting. Guidelines for creating emphasis. The point of emphasis should command attention, but not dominate the overall design. Other features within the room should not compete for the emphasis. Harmony. There are two types of harmony. Unity. Variety. Unity. Unity occurs when all the parts of a home or room are related by one idea. A unified design has consistency of style. Variety. When two or more different elements of design are used to add interest to a design. Variety can be achieved by combining different styles and materials, as long as they are compatible. Harmony. It is achieved when unity and variety are effectively combined. Carrying variety too far creates confusion. A lack of unity may make a small home seem even smaller.